Cold calling can be incredibly frustrating, but does it have to be? Keep watching to find out more. What's going on, sales family? It's Fairhead from Sales Unveiled once again, helping slash through like a hot knife through butter all the misconceptions around sales, business, side hustles, and of course personal development, and giving you the practical advice that you need in your day-to-day careers. Cold calling is one of the most difficult part of working in sales, and here's an inside secret, guys. After 10 years of working in sales, it doesn't get any easier. Heck, even to this day, I still get chewed out by people on the other end of the phone who absolutely slam the phone down on me so bad that I'm pretty sure I've got eardrum damage. Now, this can obviously cause a lot of frustrations when cold calling prospects. So in the video today, we're going to cover my top 3 tips for overcoming frustrations when making cold calls. As always, I'll have a super sleazy sales bonus at the end of this video that you don't want to miss. Let's jump into it, guys. 1. Understand it's a numbers game. I know what you're thinking, guys. Yeah, no shit, it's a numbers game. I haven't hit my target in 6 months ahead. Wolves are at my door. As commonplace as this advice is, it's definitely true. Whilst very experienced salespeople are able to hit something like a 10% response rate on the back of their cold calls, the truth of the matter is that most salespeople have a 1% conversion rate. This means for every 100 call they make, only 1 of them will be booked in for a next stage meeting. So the next time you've made 80 calls and had absolutely no headway in getting through to your prospect, just realize that you haven't even hit the threshold to make 1 individual next stage meeting. Kind of puts things in perspective, doesn't it? Want to get those numbers in your favor, guys? The best thing to do then for that would be to absolutely obliterate the like and subscribe buttons, as well as tapping that little bell notification if you're interested in more fantastic videos around sales, business, personal development, and side hustles. It really does help out the channel there, guys. 2, take a break from cold calling. There's no 2 ways of getting around this, guys. Cold calling is definitely repetitive. Calling the same prospects in the same industries with the same scripts can definitely be frustrating day upon day upon day. If then you find yourself getting frustrated and in a bit of a slump when it comes to cold calling, I would recommend definitely taking a few days away from the phones. Focus your approach on LinkedIn or cold emails instead, both of which I've got videos on, which you can check out here-ish. Pow! You can also use this time to focus on reading sales books or attending sales courses to further improve your skill set as a salesperson. I guarantee that when you're done with this, you're going to come back feeling a lot more rejuvenated and refreshed. Big words from a little man. 3, listen to other people's sales calls. A lot of us are just plain bad at taking criticism. We all have a bit of an ego inside of us telling us that we're the best we are at what we do. Not really true though, is it? In my humble opinion, the best salespeople and the best people who make cold calls are the people who believe that they're never the finished article, they can always improve upon what they're doing. And what better way to help them improve their skills when cold calling than by listening to other people's sales calls. Listening to your colleagues' calls is going to give you a better insight in terms of what it is that they're doing right on the call, more insight into your customers' knowledge, and also help you improve the way in which you ask questions, which can in turn be used as a way to help you improve your own cold calls. Heck, even listening to your colleagues' bad sales calls will also make you feel that you're not alone and that you're in this together, and that even the best people on your team make the odd mistake here or there. What's that, Godzilla? It's time for a bonus. Literally will do anything for the views, won't I? Guys, thanks so much for sticking around to the end of the video. And as always, I've got a little bit of a bonus here that I think will definitely help. Part of the reason why a lot of you might feel a little bit frustrated with cold calls is you don't have a system yet in place to actually help you improve and build upon making cold calls. So as such, I've done a couple of videos that will really help out with this process, which you can see all around cold calling, all around here. So really do check them out. I genuinely think they're gonna help. As always, you beautiful people, if you've liked what you've seen here and you wanna see more around sales, business, personal development, or side hustles, leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you're feeling frustrated making cold calls and what you've done to help counteract that. And until the next one, guys, I'll be sure to see you soon. Like and subscribe, and adios.